Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2016 Jeep Cherokee and I will show you how to connect your Bluetooth phone. This video will apply to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023, and Cherokees equipped with this small screen. If you have a large screen it will be quite similar, but you will just have to find the Bluetooth option in your menu. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so to start, you want to press the phone button on the dashboard. And if your phone is not connected, and it's probably not, you want to press the settings button in the bottom right corner. Now you want to select add device in the top left corner. And now wait for a couple of seconds and you will get this message: start pairing procedure on your phone, and this is the pin. Now I will continue this video by recording the screen on my phone, but what you have to do, you have to turn on the Bluetooth, you have to find the Uconnect and enter this pin. Okay, so turn on the Bluetooth, and now you want to go all the way down to unpaired devices. I have a bunch of devices here, so all the way down available devices you will find Uconnect. You want to tap onto that and this will start the pairing process, right? Now if this pin is actually shown on your vehicle screen, and it is 212243, you want to press pair. I'm not really sure about that first pin displayed on the vehicle screen, but yeah, this is how it's done. Now if you want, you can allow access to messages, yes or no. I will say deny. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once everything is connected, you will get this message: pairing successful, make this your favorite, yes or no. I will press no. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.